Dominion and Grimm is a company with a strong heritage of quality, innovation, and respect. Settling in Ohio from Germany in 1864, Gustav H. Grimm founded the company G.H. Grimm & Company in 1881 in Hudson, Ohio, to manufacture evaporators. His first product was called the Champion Evaporator. These boiling machines were used in making maple sugar, sorghum, fruit jellies, and cider. As early as 1882, Grimm innovated by integrating a larger evaporation surface, thus optimizing boiling performance. His innovation also helped with the continuous flow of sap. Several other patents followed, including that of 1885 showing the method of folding metal to form raised flues. In 1890, G.H. Grimm builds a facility in Rutland, Vermont, and sets up a factory. 2 years later, cousins of Grimm settled in Quebec on King Street in Montreal under the name G.H. Grimm Manufacturing Company in order to take advantage of the flourishing maple syrup market. John H. Grimm takes control of the company, then in 1901 moves it to 84 Wellington Street. The company will remain at this location for 40 years under the name Grimm Manufacturing Company. State-of-the-art facilities for the time, worthy of the largest equipment manufacturer. John H. Grimm was recognized as a strong supporter of quality and the purity of maple syrup, among other things by regrouping maple syrup producers and by promoting better legislation on product labeling. During the same time, in Waterloo, Quebec, Mr. Lebrun and Lucier also made evaporators with innovative patents. Around 1940, Mr. Lebrun decided to start his own business and settled in Montreal at 1630 de Lorimier, next to the Jacques Cartier Bridge, under the name Dominion Evaporator. The maple syrup tin can was introduced in 1951. This design is still used today and is a symbol representing maple syrup even internationally. Since then, packaging has become an integral part of the business. In 1952, Mr. Lebrun, owner of Dominion Evaporator, buys the inventory and the Grimm name. The company is incorporated in 1953 with the name of Dominion and Grimm, Inc. Sylvain Lebrun patented his own spout design in 1955, which became the benchmark for Canadian sugar bushes. Dominion and Grimm was then recognized for its wide range of spouts. In 1966, following the expropriation to improve traffic flow around the Jacques Cartier Bridge with the upcoming Expo 67, the company moved to Marconi Street in the industrial district of Anjou, where it remains today. Dominion and Grimm expands its operations in the United States in the early 1990s. Now located in St. Albans, Vermont, Dominion and Grimm USA operates in a 20,000 square foot facility servicing the U.S. producers. The traditions of quality, innovation, and respect have been passed down through the years. Following the Boileaus, who have had the reins of the company since the 1960s, it is now to 3 generations of the Pepin family to take over in the 80s. Today, there are 4 factories and more than 80 points of sale in North America. The name Champion is still synonymous with innovation, quality, and performance, and it has set the standard for all products under the Dominion and Grimm name. The passion for maple syrup production continues from one generation to the next.